Hi, welcome back to the Finance Show. Today we want to discuss why it takes time to become really good at trading and exposing some scams that promise quick riches. We'll also talk about how someone can become a profitable trader and the common challenges they may encounter along the way. Online trading is a complex skill that requires time, dedication, and patience to truly understand. We'll explore different parts of trading like understanding currency pairs, futures, and markets analysis. We'll also look at technical indicators and factors that influence the market. Remember, continuous learning and staying updated are essential. Sometimes people promise you'll get rich quickly with online trading. We want to tell you the truth. Those promises are scams. Real success in trading comes with knowledge, discipline, and managing risk well. It's important to avoid shortcuts and unrealistic expectations.
Can I make money?
Making money with online trading is possible, but it requires a plan. We'll talk about creating a trading plan, setting achievable goals, and following a disciplined routine. You also need to learn managing risks and emotions, which is crucial for long-term success. Trading isn't always smooth sailing. We'll talk about common challenges that traders encounter, like dealing with sudden market movements and controlling emotions when trades don't go well. Overcoming these obstacles is possible with the right mindset and learning from mistakes. To sum up, online trading is not a quick way to get rich, but it's a skill you can master with time and effort. Stay away from scams and focus on learning and improving. Remember, success comes to those people who are patient and willing to learn. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more useful content in the future. Happy trading!